Hey. They fine. She show yourself. You understand?
Yo.
Karasini boga. Yash they change position. Never. She be last. Now we day here. Now we own the area. Now who won the baga? Oh you bring the maga. Now who give you head? The way you take the rest the soda. I be you know the fear.
Yeah. It's Blink on the
Auntie.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I see you're busy.
Oh my god.
Oh, cool. Thank you. I went out for Charles, I told you.
I don't understand how
It's really nice. I met one woman. She told me about the school that I can go and be a comedian. They know my speech. I'm not being a comedian. So I took it. I don't know. Maybe that can help. Okay. And I'm already ready. I just need to go put on my clothes so that I can. So you're going to see me again in the TV.
That would be nice.
Alright, see you. Maybe coming again.
let you down. The cuts we you the one.
We came here because we believe in that great.
Okay. You blink. Interesting.
She no good pull you down. If I don't win it half for no good feel secure. It's standing for you, stand right to the end of time.
Yo. I watched some of your shows on TV and they were really good.
Yeah, thank you, Aunt.
I'm impressed.
I hope you saw it.
Yes.
I told you.
Well, that's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
And do you know, I have another one. Just as I left it like that, one man called for me and told me I'm going to attend his wedding or whatever. So I have a show again.
Oh.
It's a wedding, yeah.
Wow.
And then maybe they're going to pay me about 50K, you know. So I'm so happy. It's something for about 15 minutes, 10 minutes, and I have about 50K. Just imagine.
50,000.
I told you. See?
Happy
Is
for you.
there something you press on?
Oh, so there is something. But before that, how much did they pay you?
Okay, for this,
Yes.
the man told me he never had enough. He gets me 30K.
30K. What? That's nice.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm so happy.
All right, I want to take my bath.
Young lady,
Let me go. I don't want to eat.
I said take this food.
I don't want to eat.
This
bossino that sent me here.
I don't want to eat.
If you die here, it's not my problem.
Yes, it's not your problem. I don't want to eat. I want to see my brother.
This is the food. When you are hungry, you will eat. If you die there, this bossino that sent me. I'm just doing my job.
Who is here, please? Please, now. Please, just stay. Very, very nice. Nice. Nice, right? I didn't say you should finish.
You want me to?
No, I didn't say
What's this now? I don't like this.
Calm down, brother.
Me, I don't care. You know, for one day, one story. Let me tell you something. Remember, there was a time. Remember the last time that he took us out? Remember? Last time that he took us out.
Yeah.
Wait now.
Tell me.
Come and give my honor, please. My sister is cheating me here. For 200. Hello, mommy. That line is not going through. Yeah, this is kid. What's wrong with your phone?
Yeah.
Hello, boss. I tell you, my boss, no get no the damn no chop that chop. I dare you for all kind style. You know one chop it a chop. Yes, boss. I don't know what to for do again. He talks he wants me to call and a brother. I don't know. I don't care me, sir. Yes, boss. I don't hear you.
Your master don't do work, he come back, he can wish, baby, what have you cooked today? I'm sorry, I really want to go do it now, please. I see one of the chef, very over there, in the basket, see right here, baby! He said what? He said the baby has entered my leg, the baby. Did you want to see how they're there? They're there. You want to say I'm going to talk about you, what are you? Baby, I want to eat chocolate. Hey! Try it! No. It's more.
Oh, so it has gotten to this. A boy who has been in the village for 5 years just came after 5 days. I'm watching you on TV. Let me see how this will work. This is not going to. This is how his father gets up one day and just becomes rich. And after they say he's dead, I've never seen his corpse. He don't need to come up. I will throw his back down there. Yes. I cannot allow this child to become rich.
Never!
But the first time I saw you, girl, I've been coming normal. I was walking every day and night searching for a girl. I wanna live my life forever, never getting older. So I found you, I love you, I wanna make you mine. Love is not a crime. If it was a crime, I remember.